Every system like banking, reservations, shopping, every activity like bill payments, ATM withdrawals and mobile recharge, every career option like application development, cloud computing, big data analytics, data science, artificial intelligence, blockchain, Internet of Things, every information we receive, every decision we take depends on data. Data is the new oil. Data does everything. Data is our future. This course on databases and SQL will prepare you on the most important topic for your future in IT. It includes concept and demos on everything about SQL and databases, installation, queries, objects, constraints, views, stored procedures, triggers, index, functions, backup and restore. And to explain these tools, we'll be discussing world's most popularly used databases like Oracle 19c, MySQL 8, Microsoft SQL Server 2019. During this video series, we'll be showing you locally installed on-premise databases as well as online live cloud databases. This is your first step towards a big career in IT. You shouldn't miss this course because your success depends on the knowledge of databases. This course is brought to you by SohamGlobal. Technology is power, technology is future.